Always getting storage full on your Google Drive or your email. Now, if you are getting storage full every time, there is actually something that is enabled on your phone, and I'm going to show you how to disable that. Without wasting more of your time, here is actually the application, Google Photos. So Google Photos actually automatically uploads your photos. If you take a photo, you recorded a video, it uploads them for you automatically. So in this video, I am going to show you how to disable automatic upload of your content, but this is actually going to be called automatic backup of your media files. So you click on the application to have it open. Now, if you have it open, to disable the auto updates, you notice on this top right hand area where you have your profile image, click on that. Now, when you click on this, scroll down a little bit and you notice where it says photo settings. You click on photo settings. Now from this area, you can notice just on the top area where it says backing up. Now click on backing up. Now from this area, you are going to notice the first option that says it actually have the backup is on. Now go ahead and click on that to disable it. Now I have now disabled the auto backup, and also I think I already have backed up some content, or rather some files automatically. I can delete that if I do not want them, but I think it is not wise to delete them because I have some of my wife's picture on this area and my child's picture, so I do not want to delete that particular backup. So on your case, you can actually go ahead and undo the backup, but for my case, I think I'm okay. So now I can back out even more, and I think I'm actually good. So for your case, if you only want to disable the auto backup, this is all you need to know. Now, if you have further questions regarding this video, or maybe other things that you're actually having challenges doing, let me know on the comment section. And this is the end of this video. Stay safe and peace.